People pane mention about kuti marriage is not an achievement, but chokwadi ndecho kuti mu society matukurarama mazuva anaya it seems as if I can have everything, elder, like everything, the highest education, the best of houses, but if you're not married, even
our parents, they say, if you're not married, I'm losing respect to myself. And there comes the pressure now. And it's, in our society, if you're married, as a man or as a woman, you're respected much better. So to those who are not yet married, they feel the pressure now to say, no, this should be done because it's an achievement. So to us, basically, it's an achievement. Because I'm gaining respect because of this institution.
But have you ever noticed, Gutizo, when you are not married, we talk about you. And when you get married, we still talk about you.
When you talk about us before we are married, the
fortunate thing, Gutizo, kana usiri married, we talk about you to you.
Okay.
When you then get married, we talk about you to other people. So the world is always talking about you. But here is the honest truth. Adam never wished he was married. But God saw the necessity. I hope you get me loud and clear.
Okay.
That is the reason why God created Eve for Adam. Because he saw the necessity. But Paul was not married. He also did not see the necessity of marriage. Kunze kwengotizo pamuri kuroorwa nekuti haugoni kuzvibata. Ndo zvakataura Paul. Saka by the end of the day, Paul anobva ati vamwe vakaitwa ngomwa nekuda kweshoko. Asi kune vamwe vanofanirwa kuitawo sezvavo vanofanirwa kuroora. Unfortunately manje in a community, people believe that marriage is success. People believe that marriage is maturity. People believe that marriage is everything. But that is not it. This is the reason why people are rushing in and rushing out. Because whatever they expect is not there. And by the end of the day, the expectation that has been created in mind is different from what you see when you get behind the doors. And the author of marriage is also not in sync with your expectation.
Okay.
So by the end of the day, pamunonopinda mese muri kushamisika. Uyu ari kuti uri kuitei neuri kuti uri kuitei. Saka what we need to do is we should put the purpose of marriage on the table.
Okay.
Make sure everyone is informed. Everyone knows exactly what it is all about. Then people will decide to say, do I want it or I do not want it? We also remove emotion from it, like extra curricular. Vanhu vari kudanana, vazhinji vanobatana, vari kudanana, vanokisana. When people are saying they are in love, they are saying we've got a certificate to make sure that we are emotionally satisfied. This is the reason why people are enjoying this thing, dating and courtship. But kana wazoenda kumberi kuseri kweketeni, pamusana pekuti uyu waimubata 1 minute and you wish for more. Umva 24 hours zonzi chibata. You get the point. Then you realize that no, what I thought I was supposed to get is different from what I'm getting. This is the reason why unodzokera kuvana vechikoro, unodzokera kupfambi. Why? Because there is case. Unopuwa 2 minutes nemwana wechikoro umhanya kuna babake. Why? Because chiri kukunakidza is the scarcity, not the product.